This is homework help for Algebra 1. Tonight's homework assignment is page 428 through 30. Let me help you start off with problem number 28. Problem 28 says ticket sales, and you are selling tickets for a high school play. Student tickets cost $4, so I'm going to use S for student, and they cost $4 per student. And it says general admission tickets cost $6. So general admission is $6, and that's per person. That would be if somebody comes with their family, their friends, or somebody who's just not a student. It says that you sell 525 tickets altogether, and the total cost is $2,876. The question is, use the following verbal model to find how many of each type of ticket you sold, and they guide you in order to come up with your equation. Well, your first equation would be if S is number of students, and G is equal to the number of general admission, general admin, then you could come up with the equation the number of students plus the number of general admission is 525 total tickets. Well, if that's the case, you can then solve for one of them. So students equals 525 minus G. My other equation says, well, if it's $4 per student, 4 times S plus $6 per general admission, that would be 6 times G. That total should be $2,876. We can use substitution. Instead of writing S, we now write 525 minus G plus 6G is 2,876. We now distribute 4 times 525, and then 4 times negative G. Well, 4 sets of 4 sets of 525 would be 1,050, so 2,100 minus 4G plus 6G is 2,876. Since I'm running out of room here, I've got to move a little fast here, so 6G minus 4G is 2Gs. And if I take away 2,100 from 2,876, that leaves me with 776. Well, G is just half of that. So the number of general admission tickets is half of 776. That's 383. I apologize, I misspoke. 776 divided by 2 is 388. Okay, so number of general admission tickets is 388. We take that number and plug into our other equation to figure out what the number of students is. Number of students is 525 minus 388. That means we get S equals 137. And there are our answers. Be sure to plug them back in to check your work to make sure that we got the right answers.